Welcome to this stunning residence in Portugal. Located on a gently sloping, secluded plot, this single-family home embraces the natural landscape. Designed to harmonize with its surroundings, the home takes advantage of abundant sunlight, open views, and the lush skyline created by native vegetation. The rectangular terrain guides a clean, continuous design, creating a platform-like foundation. It acts as a podium, presenting each part of the home to the sweeping vistas. Locally sourced materials like cork bring a natural elegance to the home, blending beautifully with the surrounding greenery. Inside, spaces become an interaction between what can be felt and what can be visually explored, enhancing the overall spatial experience. Organized into distinct volumes, the design allows each interior space to flow seamlessly outdoors through expansive glass panels, blending indoor and outdoor living. The layout also channels access from the street through the social spaces, integrating pathways with the living areas and leading toward more private zones. With careful orientation, the private area enjoys sunlight and privacy, nestled within the home's thoughtful composition. A minimalist retreat. This home finds every detail to highlight the land's natural beauty, where simplicity meets purpose in each space. A dynamic roofline tops the programmatic volumes, not only enhancing the design, but also controlling sunlight to keep interiors comfortable. Cork facades not only enrich the design, but also embody sustainability, merging the building with Portugal's natural beauty. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.